Dropshippers, don't sleep on this. Doba's 2025 back to school sale is live now through August 31st, and it's packed with high demand products like dorm sets, robot vacuums like this fancy one here. Yeah, snack packs and more, all at exclusive discounts. With one click, input tools and real-time inventory sync, it's never been easier to launch profitable bundles on Amazon, eBay, Walmart, or your Shopify store. These aren't your average school supplies. They're TikTok-worthy finds that sell fast, especially with 67% of shoppers already buying back to school supplies. Yes. Stick around because I'm about to show you 4 back to school products from Doba. You can flip for big profits. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's make some money. Check out this waterproof laptop shoulder bag for $23.43. Look, it holds everything. It holds more than a laptop. You could put your pens, your papers, whatever you have to put in there. And I love the shoulder pad. Look how all that you could put your earbuds in there, everything. And what I like, it's really padded and protects the laptop. And the shoulder pad, oh my goodness. It's comfortable on the shoulder. I had one that didn't have that. Oh, it was killing me. And it's universal for so many different laptops. $23. Okay, you can't beat that price. You can sell that for way more money. $23.43. Look who has it. Look at Walmart for $33.95. Same exact laptop bag. Okay, it's universal. It's for men and women. Look at this. So now you know for a fact you could sell it for $33.95. I would sell it for even $33. And look at the profit you'll make. You see what I'm saying? So you could sell this at Walmart, you could sell it on Amazon, or sell it in your own store. Back to school, people are carrying their laptops on their labs in their laptop bags, going to college, going to high school. This is what you need. And you can sell these. You can sell these and they would sell out because people are trying to buy their school supplies. Check this out. Doba, back to school again. The kettle, the electric kettle, $17.56. I have this kettle and it works perfectly. If you have a child getting ready to go live in a dorm, going away to college, they're going to need this. Okay, make their little tea, their coffee, whatever they want, their hot chocolate, $17. You could buy this at Doba. And look at, I'm telling you, I have the $17.56. It's a flash sale. Back to school. I'm telling you, you would need this. Look how much you could sell it for. $31.99 at Walmart. And this kettle really works. And I'm telling you, it will heat up in about a minute. It heats up that fast and it gets really hot. And the light goes off to let you know when the water is at its boil to 200 and something degrees. It'll tell you. And it really, really works. 1, 2, 3. $32, $31.99. And I just showed it to you at Doba for $17 and change. And you could sell that almost double the price. Look at the profit if you have this in your store. This is mine's right here. Look at this. This is fantastic. I'm telling you, look, I have it every morning with my Inside Your Hustle cup. And look at it boiling. The light goes off when it's done, so you'll know to use it. So it is, I'm telling you, I just gave you two items. You can actually promote it as back to school, look, every person, when you're going out with your laptop, you need a nice, secure laptop, padded laptop bag. That bag is padded. It will protect your laptop. And I love the shoulder strap on it. It doesn't hurt the shoulder. I really emphasize that because I have one without that padding on the shoulder and it felt horrible. Look at the price. You can sell it for in your store, or Walmart, Shopify, wherever you want to sell it. Same thing with the tea kettle. It's electric. It really, really works. It's quiet. It works. It lights up. Once it's done, the light comes off. Boom, 1, 2, 3. They're selling it for double the price. You buy it on Doba and you sell it. They're selling it for like $32. So sell it for 30. Make a profit. You see what I'm saying? I'm about to put that same tea kettle in my store. So I'm letting you know, and I'm telling you it works because I use it every day. All right, so now check out this toaster. This is for $17.44 on Doba, right? It has the wide slots for like bagels or Texas toast for $17. This is great if you're going back to school, you're living on the dorm, $17.44. It's a flash sale. This is great if you have college students, if you know college students, and you want to sell this. This is great to put in your store. If you have a Shopify store, Amazon store, this is what you want to sell. Back to school, campus items. Promote it just like that. Back to school. Look how much they're selling it for at Amazon. $34 and change. $34 and change. I just showed it to you for $17 and change. You see what they did? They doubled it. Now let me show you this. This one blew my mind, okay? This is the wireless car inflatable pump for $7.90. Now, it even has the tire gauge so you can pump up the tires, the basketball gauge for basketballs, balloons, whatever you're trying to blow up, $7.90 with Doba. Check this out, okay? This is a must-have if you're driving. This is a flash sale. You drive, even if you're driving to school, this is something you need to have. Look how much they're selling it at Walmart. Do you see that price? $59.99. The exact same wireless car inflatable pump. High power portable pump. It's digital. Same pump. $7.90. I'm showing it to you for about $60 now. $60. $59.99. That's $60. 20 seconds. Whatever you're pumping up, it's going to be pumped. 20 seconds. It's going to blow up. It's going to be inflated. I'm telling you, even if you want to sell it for $50, you're going to make a profit. Am I right or wrong? Okay. Now, bonus time. I give you all these flash sales, back to school sales. You can promote it that way. I didn't forget about summer. $11.79 for kids' swim goggles, okay? With the earplugs, UV protection, okay? Now, that has the anti-fog, so your eyes, you can still be able to see when you're swimming. $11.79. Okay, on the sides, it has the leak proof on the sides for the kids, 3 years old to 16 years old. This is such a great sale. It's a flash sale. I would sell these right now. I think I might actually put these in my store to sell them before summer is out. $21.99 at Target. $21.99. Same exact goggles. Cool World Kids goggles. Same exact one. Comes with the earplugs, everything. $21.99. It's like double. So now you know for a fact you can get them from Doba and sell them. Sell them in your store. Sell them on Shopify. Sell them. If you have an Amazon store, sell them. Make yourself a product. Make yourself a profit. I just showed you a bunch of flash sales. I'm telling you, you could do a whole, got some items for back to school. You could do it that way. There's so many ways you could sell this. There's so many different angles how to promote your products. And Doba has the products for you. I showed you. Double the price everywhere else. If you want to do this and you want to do it right and you want to make a profit, you want your own business, this is how you do it. You buy from Doba and you sell your merch, sell your merchandise, sell your items, sell your products the right way and make a serious profit. Ready to cash in on the back to school rush? Don't just watch, act. If you're serious about making money, check out the Doba link in my description to start your free trial and unlock these deals today. Let's turn this school season into your hustle season. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with Doba. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.